Scaling the business. This is where the customer support or the customer success organization takes over. As was covered in the previous step, the success of the users will determine the ability to expand within the account. For a technology company, the initial support and setup is critical. We often focus on the IT people that we work with on the implementation and do not pay enough attention to the users. If we wish to have a loyal customer base that is rooting for our success, it's critical that we establish a human connection to the users. It can be done through email, social media, group training, video links, chatbot support, one-on-one follow-up. Whatever the medium is, we must be responsive and available when they're experiencing problems or are frustrated. Learning new systems causes anxiety. We need to be available to support them. The people providing this support and engagement must be knowledgeable on the product, but need not be the deep technical experts. Their most important attributes is to be friendly and incredibly likable. We want the users to connect the success of our product and service in their company with the person that's delivering the support. They want that person to be successful. It is easier to sell more departments in an existing account than it is to find and sell a new account or logo. If we look at the steps in this process, that becomes obvious. We are able to utilize many of the steps that we've already performed to bring on a new customer, and from their perspective, the effort and risk have been minimized or eliminated. This is completely dependent on the success of the first group of users and the business terms that we've negotiated with the company. The checklist for scaling the business, which is also called land and expand. Do we have a map of the other similar groups within the account that we can contact? Can we promote our success within the company to expand more quickly? Can we schedule events or training for additional groups to demonstrate the systems in operation at their company? In summary, in this course, we've outlined a sales process that, when followed, delivers predictable, repeatable results. As with many new experiences or techniques, it may take some time for these steps to become a habit.